Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I created this makeup look. I went for like a softer, kind of a wearable cut crease, or I think it's wearable anyway. It's a perfect look for Christmas time, for Christmas parties and all of that fun stuff because it's almost Christmas. It really is almost Christmas. I don't know how that happened, but it's almost Christmas and I'm really excited because Christmas is my favorite time of the year. So I'm really happy to partner with Kiss on this video to bring you this really glam yet affordable makeup look. If you want to see how I get this whole look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start off and prime my skin using the Pore Minimizing Primer. Now I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm taking the Drop Foundation. I'm going to use the shade Classic Ivory. When I put this foundation on, I usually do like 4 drops. And then I can just kind of go and add a little bit more in any areas I want a little bit more coverage. I'm just going to put a little bit more just on the brush and just kind of stipple it on any areas I want just a little bit more coverage. To highlight and brighten, I'm taking my dark under eye concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. So as you can see, this shade is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I like my concealer to be lighter than my foundation because I use my concealer to brighten. So I just like to brighten under my eyes and down my T-zone. Now I'm taking my Pro Touch powder to set. This is just a translucent powder. So I don't think I need a lot of powder because the foundation and the concealer have a bit more of like a satiny matte finish, so I don't need a lot of powder. Jumping into eyes now, I'm taking my Kiss palette. This is the nude brown one and I'm just taking this mid-tone brown shade. Just working this into the crease for our transition shade and just kind of buffing it up towards the brow bone. And then I'm taking the darker shade and I'm focusing this more so into the crease and on the outer part of the crease just to build up some more definition in the eye. And just going back and forth and blending the two together. Now I'm taking some concealer and I'm just going to cut the crease. So you want to just take your time doing this and just do little strokes at a time. So I'm just going to wing it out at the end, as you can see. So we're going for that like winged cut crease look. And then I'm just softly blending out the edges of the wing. Now I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette, which is this really nice highlighted shade, and I'm packing this all over the concealer just to give us that really nice soft shimmery lid. And I'm also going to add the same shade to the inner corner just to brighten and open the eyes. Now for the underneath, I'm starting with the dark brown shade and I'm just blending this into the lash line and then buffing it out with the first shade that I used. In with my Kiss mascara, just going to give my lashes a good coat with mascara. And then we're going in with some falsies. These are the Bustier ones from Kiss. So we're just going to pop these on top just to finish off the eye look. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use my Halo Strobing palette. And then I just like to mix all the 3 colours together on my brush. Then we can begin to glow. So for my lips, I'm applying the Luscious Shine Gel Lipstick in the shade Mocha Shake. It smells so good, I want to eat it. So, my friends, this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. I like this cut crease because it's like more of a wearable cut crease. To me anyway, like I would wear this type of a cut crease out because it's not too in your face, but it's still like noticeable and fun. As always, thanks so much for watching and for all your support, and I will see you in my next video.